You can view tree inventory data using the tree inventory map. When the application loads, click on maps, and you'll see that the first map that loads is the property inventory. I'm currently having some display issues. It's acting weird. But if you click over to a different map and then come back, it'll display properly. So to view a client's tree inventory, start by going to their profile page. And then right here where it says tree inventory map, click on this. It'll load their map and display the markers for you. When you click on an individual marker, it displays some information. Click on the thumbnail here to see the images of the trees, and these details up here allow you to make some changes.